and shine and oh so bright. From simple dreams to golden days, you've touched our hearts in endless ways. Tonight we raise our glass to you for everything that you've been through. Family and friends all gathered near to celebrate your golden year. At Eden, you're golden, forever young at heart. 50 and fearless, a beautiful work of art. The joy you bring, it fills the air. 50 years of love beyond compare. Oh, compare. Oh, Eden, tonight's your time to shine. Happy birthday, your life's divine bell.
Enjoy your birthday and wish you all the best.
God bless you always. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting us. Again, wishing you a happy birthday.
Thank you for the invitation. Happy birthday, Te! Stay beautiful inside and out, and thank you for inviting us.
And always stay pretty and stay young. Ayun lang po.
Stay pretty and lovely. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, then more travel to come. Yun lang, thank you!
Happy birthday, Madam! I wish you all the best and good health always.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, Madam. Enjoy life. Mabuhay. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ben. May God richly bless you.
Sana po maging masaya ka pa on your upcoming years po. Happy birthday po!
More birthday to come. More travels po. Ingat po. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ninang. Wishing you all the best, Ma'am. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. More travels.
Maraming salamat sa araw na ito. Yun lang.
Stay beautiful. Again, happy birthday, JM. Para marami ka pang matulungan. God bless.
Live wonderfully kasama ng family mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Den. Wishing you safety always.
Hello, ganda. Happy birthday. Mama, birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden. More birthdays to come. Thank you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden.
More years to come and enjoy life. Happy birthday!
Wish you best of everything on your birthday today.
From morning talks to midnight fun, you shared your warmth with everyone. Your kindness glows, your laughter rings. You make life's moments worth remembering. Let the music play, let's toast to more. To all the blessings life has in store. Your story's gold, your soul so rare. 50 looks good beyond compare. That Eden.
Okay, I want to thank everyone for coming. Tapos, to celebrate this birthday of mine, I wish na sana mabless kami lahat on the special day onwards.
Sa aking nag-iisang asawa, Eden Bernardo, happiest birthday, Golden Girl. Thank you sa lahat.
Happy 50th birthday to our mom. My message lang to our mom is, I hope you have a good health. Alam ko cliche, pero I really want you to have a good health. Now that you started na sa 50s mo, medyo mas madami na mararamdaman sa katawan. Pero I hope na in the coming years, you get to enjoy more of life.
I just wish you to stay healthy throughout your life. And I wish you good luck. Thank you for the food, by the way. I am very happy for this.
Happy birthday po, Mama. I love you so much. And I hope na makasama pa tayo sa madaming travels natin sa iba-ibang bansa. And mag-celebrate pa tayo ng madaming birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tita. And I hope you enjoy your day and have a prosperous life ahead.